Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you very much for stopping by. I'm Joy by name. In this video, I'll be making a healthy watermelon banana smoothie. I'll also be discussing some of its health benefits with you all. So shall we? Let's get right into it. So to make this smoothie, I'll be transferring some watermelon chunks into the blender. You can choose to remove the seeds, but I decided to leave it simply because the seeds are also packed with lots of health benefits that I'll be discussing with you all in another video. To get a creamy consistency, I'll be adding some diced banana. I'll also be adding a teaspoon of chia seed. They're actually very healthy and they have lots of health benefits. For the liquid base, I'll be using milk. You can choose to use a plain yogurt or a Greek yogurt. So I'll just cover the blender and allow it to blend properly. And while that's blend, let me tell us more about the health benefits of consuming the smoothie. They help to keep the body hydrated due to its high water content. They are a rich source of fiber which helps to aid digestion. They help to boost the overall immunity of the body as they are a great source of vitamin A, B and C. They also help to support the heart of some vital organs in the body such as the heart, liver and kidney. There are other health benefits of consuming this smoothie, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending our creamy watermelon banana smoothie, it's pretty much ready. Thank you very much for watching guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.